Good morning. What's the problem?
Good morning, doctor. I have a headache.
How long have you had it?
For 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
No, just headache.
Okay, take this medicine after meals.
Thank you, doctor.
You'll be fine soon. Take care. Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, please sit.
Thank you. Do you travel on this train often?
Yes, almost every day. How about you?
It's my first time. I'm visiting my friend.
Oh, nice. You'll enjoy the ride. It's very scenic.
That's great. By the way, do you know when we reach the next station?
In about 15 minutes.
Perfect. Thanks.
Hi, I'd like to close my bank account, please.
Of course. May I know the reason for closing it?
I've opened a new account elsewhere, so I won't be using this one anymore.
Understood. Do you want the remaining balance in cash or transfer to your new account?
Please transfer it to my new account.
Done. Your account is now closed. Thank you for banking with us.
Thanks, that was quick and easy.
Hey, did you watch the news today?
No, what happened?
There was heavy rain in the city. Many streets were flooded.
Oh no, was anyone hurt?
Luckily, no, but traffic was really bad.
Wow, the weather is so crazy these days.
Yes, climate change is real. We must take care of our planet.
Hey, have you heard about that new online English course?
No, what's special about it?
It's only 30 minutes a day, and you can learn from home.
That sounds perfect. Is it free?
The first week is free, then it's $20 a month.
Not bad. I think I'll join.
Great! Let's sign up together. If you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
I'd pick the Maldives. Clear water, beaches, and sunsets.
Aw, that's lovely. I choose Switzerland instead. Snowy mountains, fresh air, and those amazing train rides.
Wow, so you want snow and I want sunshine.
Exactly. Two different dreams, but both beautiful.
Maybe one day. We'll travel together. First Switzerland, then Maldives.
Deal. That would be the perfect adventure. Good morning, City Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor.
Sure. When would you like to come?
Is tomorrow morning available?
Yes, 10 a.m. is free.
Perfect. I'll be there.
Great. See you tomorrow. Hello. Do you have any rooms available tonight?
Yes, we do. Would you like a single or a double room?
A single room, please. How much is it per night?
It's $60 per night.
Okay, and how much for a double room?
A double room is $90 per night.
I'll take the single room for 2 nights.
Great. With breakfast or without?
With breakfast, please.
Perfect. May I see your passport?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Please fill in this form. Your room number is 205.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Good morning. Please have a seat. Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Good morning. Thank you. I'm Alex. I'm hardworking, quick to learn, and I enjoy solving problems.
That's great. Why do you want to work with our company?
I believe my skills match the role, and I'm excited to contribute to the team and grow with the company.
Excellent. What would you say is your biggest strength?
I'm very persistent. I always make sure a task is completed successfully, no matter how challenging.
Very good. And your biggest weakness?
Sometimes I focus too much on details, but I'm learning to balance quality with efficiency.
That's honest and thoughtful. Thank you for your answers.
Good evening. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for vacation.
How long will you stay in the United States?
2 weeks.
Where will you be staying?
At a hotel in Manhattan.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay in New York.
Thank you.